And you know what? A lot of people are sharing stories about how every life is beautiful. Do we have time for me to share a story?
I would love to have you share your story.
You know, when I think of Psalm 127, he talks about sons are a heritage from the Lord, children are a reward from him. It goes on to say that children are a gift from God's own hand. I want to tell you a quick story about a woman who, if it was modern days, she would probably be aborted. This woman had no muscles in her hands and no muscles from her knees down to her feet. So basically just little short stilts from her knees down to her feet. She was crippled in her legs and her hands, very difficult to walk around, and just struggled in terms of mobility. Hands kind of gnarled up, and again, very difficult just being able to walk. Well, then she married, and when it came time for her to have children, she was certainly discouraged because it was a disease that involved heredity. You know, you don't want to pass that on and have other people handicapped. That's the notion that you hear from so many people. Marie Chartreuse disease, kind of an odd name. Well, anyway, the woman had a wonderful quality of life. She had 4 children, 2 boys, 2 girls. One of the girls actually has the same disease, but she is enjoying a great life. And I'm so glad because the woman is my mother, and the daughter is my sister. And so many people would say, well, they don't have a good quality of life. You know, they're not worth living. They should be aborted. No, that's not the case. Even though my mom had obstacles, and she was indeed handicapped, a wonderful, beautiful woman, and 4 children, and I'm one of the 4, so I'm thankful to be alive and thankful to be telling you this morning on American Family Radio that every life is beautiful.